My name's Aaron Croman, here to teach you about Photoshop, and I'm going to show you how to make a realistic paper and pencil drawing. Okay, so we're going to go File and open that the image of the piece of paper that I scanned. And if there's kind of any color to it, I'm going to go to Image, Adjustments, and I'm going to desaturate it. Just check it out. Okay, and then I'm going to save it, save as. I'm going to kind of save it on the side. I'm just going to call it Displace for now, and I'll show you why later. And I'm going to add another layer. I'm going to switch the brush to black. And I'm going to kind of well, switch this back to the reset the brushes. Okay. I'm going to just take the hard round and I'm going to kind of give it a little scattering. So now it kind of looks like pencil. And we're just going to put down a drawing, get this out of the way. So okay. Maybe even knock down the opacity a little, so make it a little bit more paperish, or pencil-ish. And just give him some crazy hair. Doesn't really matter. You can tell I'm an excellent artist. The stick character. Okay. So now we kind of have this dark pencilish drawing. Photoshop is a very powerful tool for artists. Now I'm going to show you a technique. Now I'm going to go to Filter, and I'm going to go to Distort and Displace. Now that sounds a little bit familiar. And I'm going to make the horizontal scale. I'm going to go to 40 and 40. Displace, and make sure to save it as a PSD or a Photoshop document, and open. And now it's a little hard to see. I'll kind of go back and forth between the two, but kind of displaced it a little. It also kind of bent the lines along with the paper. That's what the displace does. You use the paper as kind of a bitmap, kind of a black and white image that distorts how the image looks, and so it just kind of distorts things along with the paper. It's a little hard to see because it's just a little bit of paper, but so there's not very big ups, hills, and valleys in it. But you can, especially on here on the foot, you can see how the foot curves a little. And it just kind of blends in with the paper, just like it was put on there with well, like it was drawn on there to begin with. My name's Aaron Croman. Job.